Good afternoon, everybody. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. And you can hear the birdies in the background. It's starting to rain. I wanted to do a real quick video before it did rain. Say hello on this very dreary Saturday. And this is what the birdies are doing. And you can see it's very, very blurred. And this is what the criminals have done to my phone. I'm going to see if I can clear it just a little bit. 1 second. That really didn't help all that much. Yes, it's very, very blurry because the criminals have damaged this phone and the ability to videotape and photograph. And here they come. Oh my goodness! Here they come! Oh no! I want to show you what the criminals did. I documented this last year. But you know that there is a pattern of the letter V, as in vendetta, around my property, vandalism. And this is what they did to a tree on my property, folks. Look. And between yesterday and early this morning, the criminals got into either my phone or my laptop and deleted all of my incoming and outgoing mail since 2018, folks. I've lost mail between me and my deceased mother. Oh, there goes a criminal stalker. Look at that, folks. I lost mail between my attorney and myself when I was selling my house. I lost mail to the local piece of crap prosecutor here in Kentucky. I lost all of my mail. You could only imagine if you had sent emails since 2018, 19, 20, 21, and 22, and suddenly everything is gone. And no, it's not in the trash. I mean, we're talking about 3,000 to 5,000 messages that were deleted. So, I'm not happy about it. In addition to the fact that my back is bothering me, the low nerves in my back because the criminals keep microwaving me as I sleep. These Satanists, these Luciferians, these criminals, I'm going to keep exposing them because what is happening to me is happening to a lot of people, but this is not normal. This is not naturally occurring. It's not healthy. And this world has gone to SHIT. This country is in the tubes. Nobody is obeying laws. The people that are supposed to be prosecuting criminals are protecting them. But anyway, this is just a quickie video. I wanted to just say a quick hello. It was supposed to be before these critters started following me again. So let's check out their faces. Watch. Are they the funniest looking things you ever did see? Hi, girl. Hi. Hi, girl. Oh, let's go see Rand Paul. Here, let's go see him. Right here, folks. There he is, handsome dude, right there. Hello, big boy. Hi, handsome. And there's Beak, Henry. It's Henry, right? Who's that, Henry? Josh, Hawley. Josh, we named him Josh. Oh, wait. That's Snowden and Josh right here. There's Bandit, my other rooster. Folks, I'm in deep doo-doo. I thought I had 8 roosters. I've got 9. I feel so sorry for my girlies here. I feel sorry for me too, because they're going to be fighting with each other. Oh my goodness gracious. I had no idea. But it is what it is. We'll have to see what happens in the springtime. But I hope everybody's doing well on this Saturday. I'm going to get going because it's getting close to the time it's supposed to rain. It's already drizzling here. And I've got to go back up some information. And I apologize for the upper right-hand corner, this blur here. I'm holding a magnet because the criminals have interfered with my ability to videotape without a magnet holding it in place. But I will have other topics to discuss. There's a lawsuit that I want to post. And thank you all to the newcomers for following me and your comments. I really appreciate it, and your thank yous. And thank you, Karen, for the lovely Christmas presents. And Paul sent some kitty food for the kitties. Thank you very much. And this is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading signing off for now.